Welcome to Jet Setting for Success, a guide to business travel. Are you a frequent business traveler? Or perhaps you're new to the world of business travel and want to make the most of your trips? In this video, we'll take you on a journey through the highs and lows of traveling for business, providing you with tips and tricks to ensure your trips are a success. First and foremost, preparation is key. Research your destination thoroughly, familiarize yourself with local customs and etiquette, and understand the local business culture. This knowledge will help you make a strong first impression and navigate business interactions smoothly. When it comes to packing, travel light and smart. Choose versatile clothing that can be worn in multiple settings and pack essentials such as chargers, adapters, and necessary documents. Remember, less is more when on the go. Next, let's talk about time management. Create a detailed itinerary, allowing ample time for meetings, transit, and relaxation. Stick to your schedule, but be flexible enough to adapt to unexpected changes. A well-planned day sets the foundation for a productive trip. During your journey, make the most of your travel time. Use it as an opportunity to catch up on emails, prepare for meetings, or even learn a new skill. Maximizing productivity on the move will give you a competitive edge. Networking is a crucial aspect of business travel. Attend industry events and conferences, and seize the opportunity to connect with like-minded professionals. Building a strong network can open doors to new opportunities and collaborations. Last but not least, remember to take care of yourself. Maintain a healthy lifestyle by getting enough sleep, eating well, and staying active. Find time to explore the local culture and enjoy downtime, ensuring a balanced and fulfilling experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through business travel. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and guidance on achieving success in the business world.